how to find download data settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find download data settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click this one, security, and here we'll find download data. Now just click on it, and as you see here, you can download your data. Just type your email here and click request download, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.